Hello and welcome to this lesson on SEMrush's keyword overview. If you're new to SEO, you might be asking yourself, what's a keyword? Actually, a keyword is the voice of your potential customers. Search engine users use keywords to verbalize their problems or express their interest in a specific topic. In digital marketing, keywords are the intersection of you and your potential customers. You can target them organically with your website or through an advertising budget on Google Ads or Bing Ads. But before you can bring in any traffic from search, you need to decide which search terms are worth pursuing and trying to rank for. This is where keyword research becomes so important. The Keyword Overview Report is the easiest place to start your keyword research and grow familiar with SEMrush's reports and metrics. The Keyword Overview is SEMrush's top-level report that can be generated for any search engine keyword in the SEMrush database. After entering your word or phrase in the search bar, you'll see the keyword's volume, number of results, CPC, competition level, trend, and more. Further, you will be able to instantly perform top-level examination of any keyword in the SEMrush database. You'll have an ability to research in all country databases, mobile databases, and US Bing. So let's examine how it works. Once logged in, let's head to the top left of the SEMrush dashboard and click to assure that we are in the SEO toolkit. Once there, head to the Keyword Research section of the left sidebar, where you will find Keyword Overview. Go ahead and click to go to the report. We will begin by entering our own domain, so let's type in dominoes.com. Note, we could also start just by entering any keyword we like. Now, click Search. We are presented with current keyword-related data for this domain. Note that with an upgraded account, you will have access to historical data, usually going back a few years. We also have the choice to view either desktop search data or mobile, as with several of the country databases. In the Overview Header tab, we see just basic information, including volume, which is the average number of search queries per month for the queried keyword over the last 12 months on the national level, the number of results, which is the number of URLs displayed in organic search results for a given keyword, and trend, which is how much interest web searchers have shown in a given keyword in the last 12 months. A keyword's trend helps you understand the seasonality of your target audience and predict when driving traffic with a particular search term will result in seasonal spikes. If you see that a keyword's trend doesn't peak and stays at nearly the same level all year round, then you'll want to make sure that you're targeting this search query all year round. However, if a keyword has a significant spike in the summer months, for example, if people are searching for ice cream, if that's your keyword, then you would want to plan to write seasonal website content or plan a seasonal advertising campaign to target that keyword. With SEMrush, you see exactly when certain keywords are becoming more popular, keeping you apprised of the optimal time for you to target. We also see CPC, which is the average minimum price that advertisers pay for a user's click on a Google Ads ad that popped up for a given keyword. If you're in a database where the country uses another form of currency, open the drop-down and choose your currency. CPC distribution, the average price for a user's click throughout different regional databases. And competition, the density of advertisers bidding on this keyword for their ads on the national level. A score of 1.0 indicates the highest level of competition, and a score of 0 indicates no competition. Although this metric refers to competitors in paid search, it can be representative of a keyword's organic value as well. Scrolling down to the next section, you will also see the top 5 phrase matches and related keywords in the overview report. Phrase matches are longer search terms that include the queried word within their phrase. Related keywords are common misspellings and topically related search phrases that trigger the most similar search results as your keyword in the search bar. These related keywords make for excellent keywords to target with PPC ads, as misspelled keywords generally have a lower CPC than the correctly spelled keyword. If we had entered a keyword instead of a domain in the next section down, we would see a list of organic search results. Instead, to the right, let's look at ad copies. In this case, for the possible ads that would come up if someone searched for Domino's.com in Google's search engine. Note that these bottom 4 reports can be very useful when exported, so be sure to try clicking the blue export buttons for each one. Scrolling back to the top, we can click on the phrase match header, which takes us to the keyword magic tool, which is covered in another video. Incidentally, the same result occurs if we click on the Related Keywords tab. The final tab in this keyword overview report is the ads history. Clicking it, we see sites that appeared in search results for this search term, in our case Domino's.com, at the moment of data collection. The report shows how long an ad has been used by the domain in the last 12 months, and its positions in paid results. Click the position to see ad copies, visible URLs. The text NA in the report indicates that SEMrush didn't collect data for the given word in a particular month. A blank space means that the specified keyword wasn't used for an ad campaign. One of the most common uses for this is to use it as a benchmark to examine how much our competitors might be spending on paid advertising on Google, as well as how diverse their keyword bidding might be. As is typical, you can export this report for later analysis. So, that's the keyword overview report from SEMrush. We hope you enjoyed it and do stay tuned for future lessons. Thanks and happy marketing!